with what is brand value. The financial worth of a brand is known as a brand value. Brand value is essential to develop the value of your business and forecast it. Estimating the brand worth in the market is important to compute a brand value. That is, how much will anyone pay while buying the brand? Brand value can be computed in many ways depending on the situation, industry, and business. Moving on, brand value versus brand equity. Brand equity is a set of assets or liabilities in the form of brand visibility, association, and customer loyalty that add or subtract from value of a current or potential product or services driven by a brand. The owner of a well-known brand name can generate more revenue simply from brand recognition, as consumers perceive the product or well-known brand as better than those of lesser-known brands. On the other hand, the financial value of a brand is known as brand value. A favorable or promising brand value doesn't necessarily mean favorable or promising brand equity. Let's look at brand value examples. According to a report compiled by Interbrand, the 2020 Best Global Brands Report, on the first place is Apple. Apple is valued approximately $323 billion and ranks highest in terms of brand value according to this report. The second highest is Amazon, valued at about $200 billion, whereas the third highest is Microsoft, valued at $166 billion. When compared to last year's value, Google has gone down 2 ranks and is the fourth highest at about $165 billion. The fifth highest brand is Samsung and is valued at $62.2 billion. The remaining 5 in top 10 are Coca-Cola, Toyota, Mercedes-Benz, McDonald's, and Disney. Moving further, 50% of 2020's total table value is accounted by the top 10 brands. New entrants in the category were Instagram at rank 19, YouTube at 30, and Zoom at number 100. The re-entrants in the table are Tesla at rank 40 with a valuation of $12.7 billion and Johnnie Walker at rank 98. The top 10 is dominated by technology, which is the fastest growing sector, whereas a global pandemic caused retail to struggle. Please note, it is important to understand that this only shows the brand's worth and not the company's worth. For instance, Apple's market value exceeds $2 trillion, where its brand value is $323 billion computed by Interbrand. Moving further, Real Madrid and FC Barcelona are world football's most valuable brands. Brand Finance, a renowned consultancy firm, states that the brand value of Real Madrid computes to about 1.419 billion euros. FC Barcelona's brand value is 6 million less than Real Madrid at 1.413 billion euros. Manchester United ranks third and is valued at about 1.315 billion euros, followed by Liverpool in the fourth place and Manchester City at number 5. How to calculate brand value? Interbrand's methodology to calculate brand value. Interbrand has been giving brand valuation analysis for more than 30 years, starting in 1988 when it designed the world's first brand valuation. The company had a major role in improving the standard itself. There are 3 key pieces of analysis that form the basis of Interbrand's valuation methodology. The financial performance of the branded products and services. Second, the role the brand plays in purchase decisions. And third, the brand's competitive strength and its ability to create loyalty and therefore sustainable demand and profit into the future. Moving on to brand valuation methods. A brand valuation methodology that suits one company might not suit other. All of these methodologies have their own strengths and weaknesses. Some of the major brand valuation methods are: first, income-based brand valuation method, under which the first one is relief from royalty method. The amount of money that the owner of a brand has to pay to use the brand after licensing it from another party is the basis of this brand valuation methodology. It uses discounted cash flow analysis to capitalize future branded cash flows. Next, excess earning method. A certain amount of earnings beyond profits are required to attract investors. These earnings are calculated and the rate of return calculated on the basis of the value of the assets are used in this method. It is assumed that these extra earnings add to the brand or intellectual property. Next, price premium method. This brand valuation method is based on the capitalization of future profit stream premiums attributable to a business's brand above the revenues of a generic business without a brand. And next, capitalization of historic profit methods. The subsidization of brand's profit is the basis of this method. Next, number 2 is market-based brand valuation method. First, PE ratio method. The profits earned by a brand are multiplied by a value that is obtained from similar transactions of profit to the price that is paid depending on the brand value that is reported in the price to earning brand valuation method. Next, turnover multiple method. A value obtained from similar transactions is multiplied by the turnover of the brand in this method. And finally, cost-based brand valuation methods. under which the first one is creation cost method. The amount invested in creating a brand is calculated in this method. And the next, replacement value method. The amount required as an investment to develop a brand with an equivalent share and market position is calculated in this method.